Can't talk to you now, Jay. Swear to God.
You see if I never want him to call after yo Jesus. Oh my God. You must feel like a call after when you can't take it. Me that hurt me like I can't. Jesus. Who that?
Bartender.
Where you want?
Need to talk to you.
So you couldn't come earlier? What you doing me at them time of night at Carlton?
Will you just come? Really need to talk to you.
Is that the can't even that for you, man? What you want?
Stay out, nigga.
Talk no, sir.
I feel like a prisoner. I feel like I talk to you behind bars.
Maybe I just saw you for there.
Real Janil, we still there, so? You still beat against me?
Carlton, what you do? I'm yard.
Alright. Your boy where you recommend. Me can't find him. Him not answer me call him.
So we attack?
What you mean? Stoneface? Your right hand? The one you come to me and say you want him to go legit?
So where you come to me for? After me and my mother?
Are you named Godmother though? Look here. Just to make you know, you recommend the youth, him come like me 2 times and no not even answer my call him. So as far as me concerned, me keep my end of the bargain. So it's square. How are this? House of many doors?
Carlton, me do all of what me can do for Stoneface them. Coming to you was my last resort. The new life for me I live right now, Stone them can't mix in that. You understand me? But me can bet you say I threw them over their war.
War?
As a matter of fact, but me have too much on my head right now. I really this a combo? Me not have time for this, you know. Me have my wedding for deal with you, no, Carlton.
Yeah. I mean, if I ask you, how is that going? Everything alright? Can you look stressed out?